This is probably the best auto repair service I have ever found, and I have lived in 7 different states.
We're not a normal mechanic shop. We do everything. We don't work on just Hondas. We don't work on just, Buicks or whatever. We work on everything here.
I bet we've had 20 different vehicles serviced.
Steve, the owner's standards are very high quality here. If you were to rate it from 1 to 10, it'd be an 11.
Steve is very customer orientated and he's very detail orientated, both him and his employees.
All-American and Parker, they are overly honest. They go out of their way to take you and show you exactly what's wrong with your own eyes and explain the process. And then when they do the work, it's done properly, it's done quickly, and the price is right.
Parker Four-Wheel Drive is what good old-fashioned service used to be like. It's what you would expect, 50 years ago from a mom and pop shop. That's my recommendation, is go to Parker Four-Wheel Drive.
I'm Steve Dunn with Parker Four-Wheel Drive, not a repair in Parker, Colorado. And what we do is repair and maintenance on all SUVs and four-wheel drives, and we specialize in Jeeps. Give us a holler, call us. We're gonna take very good care of you.
And I mean, that just takes it to another level. It's not just basic repair, it's handcrafted repair.
And we're not just servicing a vehicle, we're taking care of people here.